How to change case in Microsoft Word. There are more different type of case in Microsoft Word. To find the case you want to use, you'll have to do is go to Home on the upper left side on your screen and find the AB icon or case icon here. So click this and you can see here the option of case on your Microsoft Word. So you can change into sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, or toggle case. First, in sentence case, to change this word into sentence case, you'll have to do is highlight the word you want to change into sentence case. After that, go to Home menu, page on the upper left side, and go to change case icon here. So click this and select sentence case. And now we have successfully changed into sentence case. To change into lowercase, you'll have to do is highlight again the sentence and click again the home page and select the case icon here or AV and select lowercase. And now the sentence is now lowercase. Another one is the uppercase. You'll have to do is highlight again the word you want to change into uppercase. Go to home page menu and click the AB icon and select uppercase. And that's it. We have successfully changed into uppercase. Another one is the capitalize each word. And if you want to change into capitalize each words, highlights again and go to home page menu and select the AB icon or case icon. Click this and select the capitalize each word. And last one is the toggle case. So if you want to change it into toggle case, highlight again the word you want to change and go to home page and select the AB icon or case icon here. Click this and select the toggle case.